Welcome back to our new video. In this video we are going to learn what is win rate, how to calculate win rate, and how we are good to go with the risk management, and eventually we will be at good amount of profits. In this video we are going to analyze the risk management. This video will be helpful for the beginners as well as for the new traders. So first understand what is win rate. Win rate is very much important. If you are a trader, then you should know how much win rate is good for you for the risk management. Suppose you have only the 50% win rate. Let me tell you on the notepad. First of all, you need to understand how much you have win rate. Win rate is simple. Suppose you are taking 10 trades. Out of 10 trades, if you are winning 5 trades and you are losing 5 trades, means you have 50% win rate. And guys, risk reward is pretty much important. If reward is 1:2, then you are going very good with the 50% win rate. Let me explain you what are the conditions before we apply this 50% win rate. First condition is very simple. If you have back-to-back losing trade, then this is not gonna work for you. Should have at least one trade setup. Trade setup is very simple. After gaining you experience, you will analyze which will be a profitable trade setup for you. So second step is very much important, and the third step is winning trades should have at least 1:2 risk reward ratio. It means you are ready to lose $5 to gain $10. So this is a very good highlighted point. Is reward should be 2 as compared to 1. Risk reward should be 1:2. So you have to choose either bull or bear to master the trend. This is a very underrated concept. You guys don't know. If you guys don't know this how to be with only one trend, then you have to gain lot of experience with the time. Then you will realize you can go with only one side. If you go with the bull side, then you will have different trading strategies. If you have experience about the BS, if you have experience about the short trade setups, then you are good to go with the BS. Right now I am bear for the day trading setup, which is going to tell you right now. Now let me tell you how you can manage your capital with this 50% win rate, and eventually you will close in the profits. For example, you have 170 USDT in your Binance account. Either you can manage complete risk reward setup on the complete capital, or you can go with the 50% capital. Let me explain you first how will be the risk and reward when you are using the 100% capital. Right, you are ready to take risk per trade $7. Risk means you are okay to lose $7 while you are taking the trades on the base of 1:2 risk reward ratio. It means your per trade risk will be $7 and win rate is 50%. How win rate will be calculated? It means if you lose your trades back to back, if you lose your trades, then you will lose the $170. And if you lose only 50% trades and 50% winning ratio, then you will going to have the eventually $340. It means you have to divide 24 trades into 7:14 ratio. This might be quite confusing until you understand. So let me explain in simple way. If you are taking risk of $7 with $170, it means you can only lose how much trades? 24 trades. You cannot go more than 24 trades. If you lose 7 into 24, then it goes off $170. So if you are back to back losing trades, then this gonna not work for you. As I told you in the first point, this will work for you only you have experience of a winning ratio, winning trades. Then this is a quite risky as well as rewardable. How you are losing 170, eventually you are making 340. This will work for you if you are gaining two trades and losing one trade. If you are gaining two trades, if you are losing one trade, eventually even if you lose the 50% trades, you will have a winning count as $340. This will be a complete risky for you. If you are beginner, then it will not work for you, but this will work for you. Suppose this is the second option and you can call it the second trading strategy, how you are going to manage your capital, right? So capital, you have 170 USD, as I told you here, 170 USDT, but in this case you are using only $85. Win rate is simple, 50% win rate, and risk amount is 50% on capital. How you are going to manage this? With 170 whole capital, you was able to take 24 trades, but here you can take only 12 trades, lose trades. In this case, even if you are losing back to back 12 trades, you are going to lose only $85. And win rate, if you are winning 12 trades back to back, or losing one, winning one, losing one, winning one, losing two, winning two, even if you have frequency like this, then still you are going to have eventually profits. So stick with the plan, stick with the win rate trades, stick with the loss trades. So these are the two conditions how you are going to have a eventually profits, eventually loss. So first of all, I don't recommend to do this because of whole capital will be risky if you lose the back to back trades. This will be a complete great setup, right? So even if you have 50% winning ratio, you are going to have a 12 good trades, 12 bad trades, eventually $170 profits. So how you have to find out the trades? You have to find out the trades like this. You are okay to lose 1.55% to make 3% gain. In short, it is a 2 risk reward ratio, 1:2. So you have to find out the trades on the base of these risk reward, then only you can do. Right now I will be starting one trading series with you, how this gonna work with the trading plan. I will tell you the with the live trading. I'm just waiting for the one exchange collab. Once I get confirmation from the exchange, then I'm going to have a good trading session with you all. So stick with my videos, stick with the risk management, then definitely we are going to have eventually profits. So only one condition is that you don't have back to back losing trades. Master one setup, no matter bull or bear, you can make money continuously being bull, you can make money continuously being bears. Whenever trend makes any trend, suppose if this is a uptrend, it will have a correction level, so you don't have to worry about that. So only you need to wait for the strong reversal if you are the bear in the strong uptrend. So we can get trades, but we need to wait for the sometimes. So for example, in this case we have a back to back uptrend mark. Now we don't have to take risk on this. When we have a bold bears, when we will take the risk, we have one breakdown and consolidation. After one breakdown, then we can enter here. So we have complete trend reversal confirmation on the base of this trend setup. So we need to stick with the plan, stick with the only one trend way. Only one way trend can work here for sure. I'll be starting the trading series very soon and I will give you updates you. So make sure to be connected with me for the more future updates.